Now, General Mkhwanazi goes and addresses the nation. He doesn't have information of what he's talking about. He addressed the nation and said the documents were taken. They are at head office, sitting and locked somewhere in General Sibiya's archives. I don't have archives. I don't have safe in my office. Now, having realized that, but he lied to the nation. He sent a team of 10 people to say, go and inspect those documents. You can't go address the nation, then you want to go and inspect after a fact. Now, they say, no, but General Masipa says, no, but you already addressed the nation. Now, this is for the commission now. Let's wait. Now, the National Commission then calls and say, no, Cookie, they just want to take pictures. No. They said what they said. Now they want to take pictures so that they must justify. Now for them to get the docket, then an investigating officer gets appointed in my disciplinary hearing, which is General Patekile. General Patekile then comes wearing a cap that says, I'm the investigating officer. I'm investigating the charges against General Sibiya for defeating the ends of justice. Then takes the docket to General Mkhwanazi and National Commissioner at the college. Now they sit with those dockets. With General Makashalala, they go through the dockets now on their own. And they can see, because when they took the dockets together with General Makashalala, they could see that, but these dockets were not being attended. They were never attended to. And what did they do? They realized that should these dockets go to the commission as they are, we might be exposed. What do? An instruction get given that let this docket go to KZN. That's when there was that information that says, but why now taking the docket to KZN? Because this docket must be seen by the commission. That's when it was said that the dockets, copies were made of the dockets, but there are copies of the docket that can show for a fact that these dockets were not attended to for a period of time, for a number of years. They were there. So I've exhausted this part. I just wanted to demonstrate that part, that it is my prayer that General Motsepe be summoned by this house to just come in and clarify certain things. And then, can I proceed, Chair? Where must I proceed, Council?